Yeah, nice. Yeah, it'd be a good thing. You could always just tie it to one of those, you know? You take that thing with it.
We'll ride over here, no problem.
Yeah, no, it was nice. Addy said he'd be down here in a minute. Told him we're coming down to the beach.
Got 20 or 30 days.
What?
Probably got 20 or 30 days.
Right. Yeah, I told him I'd just get the other one of those. You know, I want a small one. Other one just never worked again.
The one I got last time. Absolutely. I'm less than halfway through. Absolutely.
Other one is completely full. It's just not working. Mine, it's got like salt water mixed in it or something. It's weird. You can like see it. I tried to poke it, it just won't pull. That's the problem, is it won't pull. Yeah, it looks all like weird in there too.
You thinking that's a gasoline engine on that truck?
I don't know. I thought this was Dad. I thought Dad said that. I don't know. It's a six-speed diesel. I haven't seen it. I didn't see it. I could tell you if it's a scam right away. I haven't seen it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I could tell you if it is or not. Guy seemed like he was, that's what he was trying to see, trying to look at it, and the guy said, not today, I'll be home at 4:30 tomorrow or something, which, the guy's like, I'm not going to Ocean View at 4:30, sorry. Right. Yeah, good.
Might be a couple things. People and driving the price down a little bit. I'm fine with both of them.
Diesel's
Not so bad.
it'll probably last a while.
I don't know how long I'm going to get for it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna jump in. I think I need to get in.
Double check the pot. Double check the pot.